Hi, I would like to demonstrate the course gamification tools for Blackboard Learn. I am logged in as a student. I am in the announcement section. Now I will click on leaderboard. The leaderboard link then shows up in the content section. I will go ahead and execute it. Now through LTI I'm connected to my course where the 0 marks the average of the class, and then we see progress above and below average. Now the student who is logged in is at the very top of the list. All the other names are actually generated, they're randomized. While the grades are accurately reported from the current course, the names are not, of course, to keep the privacy of the students. We then have a table at the bottom here, which is going to help us to provide accessibility for uh, this particular graph. Now we have additional options here. We can click on Change Instructor, which will demonstrate to us what this course would look like under a different instructor and our progress. Now as we do that, the table changes automatically as well. And so this helps us again to keep the WCAG 2.0 requirements in mind. We can also simulate a different semester. So we'll go ahead and click on that, and this will add a new semester also to the table. So this is a view as a student. Let's go ahead and take a look at this as an instructor. This software is live. It can be adopted today by schools and instructors, and a link provided in the description of this video, but also in the Blackboard community site will take us to this particular blog post, which has instructions for Blackboard administrators, for instructors, and then it also has a link to the deeper detail of what the software really does and how the software addresses this very, very difficult problem of shared responsibility in learning between students and instructors, and how it sheds the light on some of the myths when it comes to college level instruction. So let's take a look at this as an instructor. In this course I have two links. The first link is very similar to my previous presentation. I am the instructor here, so I don't have any points, but these students do, and of course we have our gamification tools that allow us to do a little bit more. Let's go ahead and switch to the second link. The second link, the only difference is that we are going to remove the analysis tools, the changing of instructor and simulating a new semester. And so this URL, as explained in the instructions to instructors, this URL will simply show the gamification leaderboard. So we'll go ahead and execute this link. And now we simply have the grades as they are, and we have the table that in text format provides the data. So I hope that this short explanation was straightforward enough. However, I do encourage for the deeper review of how this works, and first of all, why it is built this way, and what is the story that it tells students which can change education. Thank you very much.